This is Rhythm 29. Let's use the second line as our example this week. Remember, you are responsible for doing the first line, the second line, and all other lines using the ta and clap method. Alright, we have triplets going on, so these are continuing to be a little bit more involved than before. First beat, is the beat divided? Yes, it is. What is the smallest note value? The smallest note value is the triplet eighth note. And how many triplet eighth notes are in one beat? There are 3. So there's going to be 3 events that happen in the first beat, either 3 tas, 3 claps, or a combination of the 2. We're going to ta on the first triplet eighth note. We're going to clap on the second triplet eighth note. We're going to ta on the third space, the third triplet eighth note within beat 1. So this will be ta, clap, ta. Second beat, is the beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? Triplet eighth note. So there's going to be 3 events that happen here. The events are going to be a clap, a ta, and a ta. Is the beat divided for beat 3? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? Triplet eighth note. There's going to be 3 events, and they're going to be 3 tas. It's important that we establish what our quarter note pulse is going to be, and that we know the speed of the triplet eighth notes in this matter. Divide this beat into 3 even notes. Ta, 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 ch, 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 ch. Okay? Alright. In this measure, we have, in fact, let me just do the first measure for you real quick. Jut, 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 jut. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. That's the first measure. You can slow it down if you'd like. Just make sure you know what the speed of your triplet eighth notes are if you slow it down. Jut, 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 jut. Here we go. Ta, 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 ta. That's the first measure. Second measure, is the beat divided? Yes, it is. What's the smallest note value? The smallest note value, even though there's a quarter note here, the smallest note value in this beat is the triplet, is this triplet eighth note. So we have to count for every triplet eighth note for 3 triplet eighth notes within this beat. There's going to be 3 events that happen: tas, claps, or combination of the 2. The first event that happens is a ta, signifying the start of this note. That note takes up triplet eighth note 1 and triplet eighth note 2, which would happen right here. So we'll clap to show where triplet eighth note 2 would be. And then we'll ta where triplet eighth note 3 happens. So it'll be a ta, clap, ta, and we will hold the first note through. Is this beat divided? The answer is no, so we treat it like before. Is this beat divided? The answer is no, we treat it like before. We'll ta here, hold through all the way to beat 1 of this, and we will clap on beat 3 to make this happen. Realize that the chord note is going by at the steady pace of 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and we have to have both in our mind this steady quarter note pulse as well as the jut, dut, 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 dut. So here's the second measure. 2, and here we go. Ta, ta, ta. Okay. Again, second measure, ready, go. Ta, ta, ta. That was the second measure all by itself. Alright, third measure, is the beat divided? Yes, it is. What is the smallest note value? It's the triplet eighth note. There needs to be 3 events that happen in this: tas, claps, or combination of the 2. In this case, since this is being held all the way over to 1 and we're not going to re-articulate this note, we'll clap on beat 1 to show where beat 1 falls. So we'll have a clap and then ta, ta. That's 3 events. Is the beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? Triplet eighth note. There needs to be 3 events. The first event's a clap, then a ta, and a ta. Is the beat divided? Yes. What's the smallest note value? It is the triplet eighth note. There's going to be 3 events that happen here. It's going to be a ta held through, a clap where the second triplet eighth note will fall, and a ta on the third triplet eighth note. Last measure. Is the beat divided? No. We treat it as before. This will be a ta. Is the beat divided? No. We will ta and hold and then clap while we're holding this note to show where beat 2 is. Is the beat divided? No. We will not voice this beat, and we will clap it on beat 3. Alright, so here is all of line 2. You can try it along with me. Here we go. Hopefully I'll get it right on the first try. steady quarter note pulse. This is the speed of quarter notes. Remember, you can use your metronome if you like. And the triple and eighth notes go at the speed of here we go. Ta 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 ta. And that's the second line.